Okay, this is First Aid, summer 2012. My name is Wes Adams. I'll be the instructor for the course. This is going to be a basic video introduction on what you need to do to be successful in this class. I'll make a separate video to go over the syllabus later, but I just want to get you started on how to use Canvas if you've never used Canvas before. If you've taken an online course before, especially with the Alamo colleges, it was most likely in Blackboard. Well, we're trying out a new system, so don't let this throw you off. So it's in fact, this was a Blackboard course that I uploaded to Canvas, so it's fairly similar to Blackboard. So the first thing you need to do, first day, is click on Home, and then when you do that, you're going to see these modules. And so you'll do everything inside the module. I try to simplify this course so everything that you need for the class will be on the home page. You don't have to search other tabs to find different assignments. All your assignments, all the points that you're going to get for this class are housed within these modules. So you don't have to look anywhere else. That's the reason over here on this side, your page is going to look a little different. You're only going to see the home, announcement, grades, and people. And the reason I did that is I didn't want you having to look through other tabs to find your quizzes and discussions. I wanted to make it as easy for you to be successful in this course as possible. So I simplified everything. So everything you need is found inside these modules. Consider it a one-stop shop. So everything that you need. So day one, when you click on the home page, the first thing you're going to see instead of check your tech is this video introduction. So you will have watched that, and then you'll know what to do for each module. And they go in order. So just the next thing, check your tech, make sure you've got everything you need for your computer. Read the syllabus once you go through and read the syllabus. If you have any questions about it, email me first, and then go through and take the syllabus quiz. And then once you take the syllabus quiz, then watch this little video on CPR, and then you'll click this discussion, and then any questions that you still have about the syllabus, write those in it, and I'll be sure to give you an answer. So Module 2 is a little different, but all the other modules are fairly close to Module 2. Now we start getting into the chapters. You'll watch this video introduction about the chapter. Then you'll go down through here and cover some background information that's in a PowerPoint. Then you'll do a discussion over it, and then you'll take a little self-test. Once you take the self-test, go through, make sure you correct the answers, use your book, correct the answers, and then go through and take the quiz. The self-test and the quiz are exactly the same. So if you'll do the self-test before you do the quiz, you'll probably get 100 if you go through and correct your own answers. So that's chapter 1, and then you go into chapter 2, and everything works out the same, where you're always going to have a discussion and quiz over each chapter. And so you'll do that. Modules 1 through 4 will be the first week for this course. This is designed for fall, spring, so if you're taking a course through a long semester, this is designed to be a 16-week course. So since this is a summer course, you're going to have to do modules 1 through 4 for that first week. Then you'll go through and do modules 5 through 8 for the second week, and it shows you in the calendar. And then once you get through modules 5 through 8, then you'll turn in Project 1 and the midterm. Project 1 is just a PowerPoint over a skill that you select, or you can do a video, whichever you like to do. And I'll do some more videos on how to upload those and make sure you get your projects to me. But everything is housed inside these modules. So even when you submit a project, you're just going to click Project 1 when you get ready to submit it, and you'll be able to submit it right from here. When you get ready to take the midterm, you just click on it, and you'll be able to take it right from here. And you'll notice these due dates and point scales for some of the quizzes are over here on the far right-hand side. So again, I simplified everything. But if you want to see any dates, you can go up here to the calendar. It's one of the few things that aren't in the modules, and you can click on the calendar and see when things are due. But most of the really important items, so this is the calendar, it's showing you when things are due. So first week, you start the class here on July 9th. So the modules 1 through 4 will be due on that Sunday, and then it goes through the whole course just like that. So if you need to see when things are due, Project 1's due on the 25th, midterms due on the 25th as well. So the main thing for this course is don't get behind. You can work ahead, but don't get behind, because the discussions are the things that close out throughout the semester. So after that first week, all the discussions for Module 1 through 4 will close out. And so if you miss them, I'm not going to reopen them because it's a lot of work on my part to go back and have to regrade them. And you need to stay with at least a couple of students in each class to have a discussion. So if you work ahead, you're going to have somebody work ahead with you. So you at least need one other student so y'all can have a discussion. And then I get involved in some of the discussions. So anyway, that's how you get started. Click on the home page, go through the modules, do everything is found inside these modules. So don't get overwhelmed. So don't start looking for different assignments under different links. You only really have 4 other tabs, but don't look for them anywhere else. Everything you need is right here in the modules. So don't get confused. If you have any questions, send me an email. Again, the class doesn't start to July 9th, so I'm going to upload this today. It's the Friday before. So if you start working ahead, I don't check Black or Canvas over the weekend. So if you send me an email, you're going to have to wait till Monday before I answer it. And that goes for every weekend throughout the course. On the weekends, I'm off. I don't check Canvas. I don't check my online classes over the weekend. So again, if you get in panic mode and try to get in touch with me, you're just going to have to be patient, and then I'll check the emails on Monday. So if you have any questions, just send me an email. So hopefully this helps you out on what to do to get started.